but once. And if therefore that I can do for the rest of my brothers, let me do it now. Let me not defer it, nor neglect it, for I shall not pass through this way again. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and in between. A young lady in front of you is an 18-year-old stunner who is a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at one of the most prestigious schools here in Pangasinan, the Pangasinan State University, Alameda City Campus. My real name in real life is John Ray Riate, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang babaeng lumipad sa bakuran ng GMA 7 bilang inyong si Darna at lumipat sa ABS-CBN bilang Lobo at ngayon sinusubaybayan niyong gabi-gabi bilang inyong legal wife. Ang inyong Monica, ang babaeng nagpasikat ng katagang walang sayo Nicole. Akin lang ang asawa ko. Bakit po hindi natin sabay-sabay palakpakan, higawan at sigawan? Miss Angel Loxie. Na nag-iwan po naman katagang payo po sa ating mga kalalakihan. Nasaan po ang ating mga kalalakihan ngayong gabi? Ayan. Kung mag-aasawa po kayo, bakla na lang. Siyempre, tatanong niyo kung bakit. Kung mag-aasawa po kayo, bakla na lang. May asawa ka na, may kumpare ka ba? Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 4.
We don't know who we are until we take time to discover who we can be. Hidden within us is unrealized potential and a self we have yet to become. Be proud of your flaws and mistakes because it is the building blocks of your strengths and beauty. In real cases, only those who believe in their abilities and living life to the fullest are the only ones alive. Good evening, Barangay Palamis. I am Aiken Bembo Abelino in real life. A 20-year-old stunner standing before you as a student of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at the Pangasinan State University, Alaminos campus. But for tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of my one and only lookalike. An actress, host, model VJ, Peace Ambassador and Beauty Queen title holder Miss World 2013. Behold, beware, and be mystified as we all welcome Miss Megan Lee Young. And so, before I leave this stage, ladies and gentlemen, I just want you to all to know na kaming mga bakla ay mahilig mag-lotion. Mahilig magpahid ng lotion sa katawan. At sa sobrang hiling magpahid ng lotion, pati puwet, nilalagyan ng lotion. Kaya kapag ka nagka-infection, congratulations! Thank you very much!
Thank you, candidate number 2.
the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? What does the fox say? The secret of the fox.
Here I am to create a new history, being a homosexual in this society. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Roger Oliveras East Vista, a 19-young scholar to get Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operation Management in Pangasinan State University, Alaminos City Campus. But tonight, go along and stand by the name. Miss Mariel Rodriguez. At bago po lisanin na bladong ito, nais kong mag-iwan ng katagang mahirap magpakababae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. At lalong-lalong mahirap magpakalalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Maraming salamat po.
Senior candidate number 3.
Before I answer that beautiful question, let me greet all the people here in Barangay Palamis. A happy fiesta and a pleasant evening. Going back to the question, how can I help to mitigate global warming? For me, as we all know, global warming is a phenomenon wherein greenhouse gases are being emitted in the natural sources that we have. But for me, the best thing that I can do is to implement the 4R. First, R is reduce. Reduce the things that we cannot use. Second R would be recycle. Recycle things that we can, in order to help Mother Nature. The last one would be, the third one would be reuse. Reuse the things that we can also use in order to gain money. Just like selling garbages, because I believe that in garbages and sewages, there are money around it. And the last thing would be respect. Respect for the next generation. The new generation, for them to have a better and a place where they can live harmoniously in this country and in this earth. Because I believe that Mother Nature can live without us. But we, the people, cannot live without Mother Nature. And that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. May call on candidate number 2.
I think judge number 6.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Here is your question. How could you convince the audience and the board of judges that you deserve the title and why?
Okay, before I answer that question, let me greet all of you, especially to the Board of Judges. Good morning. How can I convince the audience that I should get the title tonight? It's because just simply, I show my personality. Because we all know, ladies and gentlemen, that in this pageant, it is not only the beauty, it is not only the body, and it is not only the intelligence that we are judging. It is the personality. And I know, ladies and gentlemen, that homosexuals nowadays has got a lot of acceptance in many parts of the world. But not so. Here in the predominantly Catholic Philippines, wherein being bakla or homosexual is still regarded as a disordered inclination, and they are still resigned at the second-class status. We homosexuals are facing discriminations and criticisms. And I think that if I show a good personality, then I can convince people to respect me. That would be all, and thank you very much.
Thank you, candidate number 2. May call on candidate number 4.
May number 2 yung mga judges natin. Dahil kung nabunot po yung number ng isang judge, siya po yung magtatanong sa inyo. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Okay. First in line, candidate number 1. Your judge is judge number 9. ating mga sponsors, none other than Marisa Latore, Maylene Onya Manalastas, syempre kay Cap.
Hindi po ako live at hindi rin po ako sasayaw, baka po lumindol. Ang aking gagawin ay isang monologue at sana makuha niyo po ang mensahe ni paparating ko. Isang babaeng nagtatago sa pagkatao ng isang lalaki. Mga kaibigan, punong-puno po kami ng pang-aapi, pagbabastos at pagmamalupit ninyo. Baling, bayo, kabayo, mang-aagaw ng lakas, salot, yan po ang karaniwang sinasabi nila. Mga kaibigan, sa tuwing kami po'y tinatawag ninyong laning, kayo po'y nagsisilbing gunting. Gunting na unti-unting gumugupit sa aming pagkatao. Mga kaibigan, sa tuwing kami po'y tinatawag ninyong kabayo, kayo po'y nagsisilbing karayo. Karayo na unti-unting tumutusok sa aming mga puso. Mga kaibigan, sa tuwing kami po'y tinatawag ninyong mang-aagaw ng lakas, kayo po'y nagsisilbing apoy. Apoy na unti-unting tumututok sa aming katawan. Mga kaibigan, sino man po sa inyo ang walang bahid ng dungis ang kanyang pagkatao, ay pumunta po dito sa aking harapan, dakpalin, sampalin o suntukin ako. Di ba po wala? Kailanman sa mata ng Diyos at sa mata ng tao, hindi naging masama ang pagiging bakla. Liban na lamang po kung kami ang gagawa at sarili namin ikasasama. Yun lamang po. Ang nais kong iparating sa inyo ay to stop discrimination. Because as we all know, ladies and gentlemen, whether you're a man, a woman, a gay, or a lesbian, each and every one of us is a creation of God. Therefore, we are all equal in His eyes. That's all. Thank you.
I'm glad you came.
Another turn to your right now.
I'm glad you
Next is to your right now.
I'm glad you
Give your best shot. Turn to your right, finally. Thank you, lovely candidates. Thank you. So sa lahat po ng candidates for the non-pro and the pro, lahat po ng CVs ninyo, paki-forward na lang po sa ating sound system para po may prepare na po lahat.
make you glad you came. I'm glad you came.
Please go down, candidate number 1.
Make you glad you came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you I'm glad you
po si Kuya Ronel Pilado para po ma-entertain yung mga bisita niya. At the same time, okay na po yung isang magbibigay ng intermission number. Tinatawagan ko po ang daan-daang pulo pangkat ng mananayaw para po sa intermission number. Palakpakan po natin sila. Para po sa kalaman ng lahat, ang daan-daang pulo pangkat ng mananayaw ay pinamumunuan po ng ating organizer ng ating Miss Gay, Mr. Ronel Pilado. Siyempre po, siya po ang presidente nila at siya po ang choreographer at the same time, sir. Yan po. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, ang daang-daang pulo pangkat ng mananayaw. Palakpakan po.
back when you didn't have to win.
The show must go on. Candidate number 7.
The physical attributes of a person in time will change, but the goodness of heart will last forever. Good evening to each and everyone. Standing before you is a fresh 18-year stunner, all the way from the land where we celebrate the Pakwan Festival of the Philippines, Bani Pangasinan. This prestigious event, please do allow me to stand by the name, mga kakabsat. Ako po ang babaeng minsang nagpatibok sa puso ni Enchong B. Ako rin po ang babaeng gumanap bilang si Katerina ng walang hanggan. At ngayon, isa sa mga supporting actress ng Ikaw Lamang na pinagbibidahan na nag-isang si Coco Mordain. Let us all welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the prettiest, the gorgeous, the youngest, but the most alluring, Miss Julia Montes. At nag-iiwan po ako ng mga katatawa ng mga kababalyan. Nuti ulag ka ng isip na uyong dayta. Nuti ulag ka na puraw na simbat dayta. Ngam! Nuti ulag kulay brown, may kayong babakla, tabuto dayta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, candidate number 5, Miss Icy Miles.
once. Anything therefore that I can do for the rest of my brothers, let me do it now. Let me not defer it, nor neglect it, for I shall not pass through this way again. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and in between. A young lady in front of you is an 18-year-old stunner who is a fresh graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at one of the most prestigious schools here in Pangasinan, the Pangasinan State University, Alameda City Campus. My real name in real life is John Ray Riate, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang babaeng lumipad sa bakuran ng GMA 7 bilang inyong si Darna at lumipat sa ABS-CBN bilang Lobo at ngayon sinusubaybayan niyong gabi-gabi bilang inyong legal wife. Ang inyong Monica, ang babaeng nagpasikat ng katagang walang sayo ni Cole. Akin lang ang asawa ko. Bakit po hindi natin sabay-sabay palakpakan, hiyawan at sigawan? Miss Angel Loxie. Na nag-iwan po naman katagang payo po sa ating mga kalalakihan. Nasaan po ang ating mga kalalakihan ngayong gabi? Ayan. Kung mag-aasawa po kayo, bakla na lang. Siyempre, tatanong niyo kung bakit. Kung mag-aasawa po kayo, bakla na lang. May asawa ka na, may kumpare